If you're looking for a country property that would serve as an oasis away from the craziness and an amazing place to entertain with an indoor pool, then you need to keep watching this video. Hi, I'm John Walkinshaw from Royal LePage Realty, and I am so excited to introduce you to 309-362 Centerline B in Grey Highlands. This property is a hidden gem featuring 2.84 acres of gorgeous land surrounded by farmland with lots of privacy, gorgeous mature trees, and so much more. The entire house has been completely updated from top to bottom, inside to outside. Let's take a peek inside. Absolutely everything about this house excites me, so excuse my enthusiasm. We've got an amazing big open concept kitchen area with a gorgeous dining room, eat-in kitchen area. Natural light, I'm just going to say it once, but every room has flooding natural light coming into the areas. We've got gorgeous quartz countertops, amazing brand new appliances including the dishwasher, cupboard space galore including a very large pantry, pot drawers. I could go on and on and on, but you get the point. Behind the kitchen with the little eat-in area there as well is another good-sized living room. Again, another walkout to the little Muskoka room, mudroom that comes in off the side deck. This floor also features main floor laundry, which again in a bungalow is a huge plus. And there's a two-piece washroom just off that side. The garage on the front of the home also has an entry point coming in through the laundry room, mudroom that's there as well. Perfectly designed. On the other side of the home are the three bedrooms. Bedroom number 1 down the hallway overlooks the front of the property with a nice size window and a good size closet. Bedroom number 2 has a double window on the two corners of the room, which I love, and also a good size room with a good size closet. And the master bedroom is gorgeous with a huge skylight in the ceiling and two, again, large windows that overlook the back and the side of the property. And there's also a shared ensuite bathroom, 4-piece, totally updated and absolutely gorgeous. And there's also a bonus room, maybe an office that's on the front of the home with a gorgeous window overlooking the front of the property that's just to the left as you enter the front door. But I am still missing one major piece of the puzzle in this house. Let's take a peek at the surprise that's in the basement. Here's the hidden gem in this property. It's an amazing property inside out, as I mentioned, but how many properties have an indoor pool that would be perfect for year round? It is 28 feet long by 14 feet wide and beautiful with a gradual sloping extra depth. Perfect for people of any age to be able to stay fit or to splash around and have lots of fun. The property, including the pool, has had many updates done to it and it's in perfect working condition. The room that the pool sits in is also an incredible space with tons of natural light, 2 different sliding patio doors leading out to a cement pad that's there. And there's also an under porch area that's perfect if you wanted to get out of the sun for a season of time. The room next door is another area that would be perfect as a secondary living room or a place for the kids to hide out and have some fun. Again, another walkout door that leads outside from that room as well. There's a little kitchenette. There's another bathroom that's right beside the pool so people don't have to trek through the house if they're swimming in the pool and they need to use the facilities. Everything is so well thought out. no question about it. Let's take a peek back outside. And now for a very short interlude, I want to show all the guys and handy gals this amazing Quonset hut, 40 feet by 60 feet. It's got a wood stove in there to heat it and lots of electricity, power outlets, all that good stuff as well. It's sectioned into 2 different areas, so again, for storage or for a work area, workshop, so much more. Let's take a peek at the backyard now. As I mentioned at the beginning, there's gorgeous large trees that line both sides of the property, giving you complete privacy, and a beautiful field right behind with a few picturesque trees in between just to give you the effect. Such a gorgeous area. This home is such a nice size for a family, and it would be amazing for entertaining. For instance, the deck that I'm standing on has slide out doors that go into the Muskoka room area, as well as a very large deck and another door that goes into the kitchen area, which is perfect for barbecuing. So many thoughtful items in the way that this property has been built originally, and so much thought and care and detail that's gone into the updates. From new windows to new doors to new decking to pretty much everything in this entire home is updated and ready for a new owner to enjoy. If this property is of interest to you, please give me a call today. It would be an honor to serve you.